Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Tires are the #1 maintenance cost of trucking fleets. Keeping tires properly inflated is a big challenge for any fleet. Today we are with Pressure Systems International in San Antonio, Texas. P.S.I is the world leader in automatic tire inflation, tire pressure monitoring, and related products for commercial vehicles, as well as being the #1 TPMS solution for recreational vehicles under its TST brand. Their flagship automatic inflation system for trailers uses pressurized air from the air brake system to automatically inflate low tires, even when the trailer is traveling down the highway. It starts by running air from the air tank to a pressure control box, which regulates the pressure. Air is then routed through the hollow axles and out through a rotary union in the wheel end, which is connected to the tires with special hoses. Tire events are communicated to the driver with a light mounted at the front of the trailer. Manufacturing is done in cells, with the first being the control box. Following assembly, the box is calibrated to the customer-specified pressure. Other cells produce the hoses, axle tubes, plugs, and through tees. The components are kitted according to the type of trailer and then packaged and shipped to the trailer manufacturer for installation. P.S.I is focused on quality, achieving world-class standards, including ISO certification and, most importantly, teamwork. With 4 coins providing a foundation for their culture, new employees are given their coin of choice in a short ceremony. Visit psitireinflation.com for more information. This is John Criswell from Manufacturing Marvels.